welcome back to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have 3 unbaggings from Fansells, and then I also have a cute little cover minder that I wanted to share with you. So let me move these out of the way and let's just pick one. I went ahead and took them out of the cover that they were in, the little bags, to help out with all of the noise. Let me roll this one back. These are all poured glue, so they can be rolled. This one feels really thin. Let me roll it the other way too. Because these are poured glue, you can roll them back, and more than likely, especially how this is bent on this side, these would need to go, or this one particularly, would need to go underneath a book or something heavy so it can straighten out. But I have done that before and it has not been a problem. We do have your standard toolkit. We have a boat, a small plate of wax, and then a pen. And this one is a sunflower, and it is really pretty. It is 21 colors. It is rounds. And with this kit, I really liked it because it was a stained glass look. Also had sunflowers, which I love. Thought this would be really good for the fall. It does have your table on the left side at the top, as well as a table on the lower right side, so that's helpful. Also on the table, it does have the DMC numbers, which I really like because whenever I kit down, I know exactly where these can go in my spare storage. And let's see, on the symbols, these are all letters. They're all capital letters, so that is helpful. There's not one that I can see that would give any problems, which is really nice. This is really good sticky. It's not too sticky. One thing that I've noticed, it seems like, and it's not just this company, it's others as well, that their cover, the plastic cover, it is getting thinner and thinner. So if you like to use washi tape to divide your sections, make sure that you're not pressing down too hard if you are using one of the ceramic cutters like I do, and for fear that you may cut through. Here are the colors. We have some really pretty fall colors here, as you can see. That's a really pretty red, number 355. Some greens, yellows. I think those are just really pretty. I don't want to open up all of these colors just because it's hard to get back in here. I don't know how much you guys really like seeing the colors. If you really do, let me know. Here is the thumbnail. Doesn't want to focus, but there's the thumbnail there. And it is a 30 by 30, so it should not take very long. The background is very dark, so that shouldn't be that bad. So diamond paint, there's quite a bit of color blocking. If you see all those W's there, that is the background, and that is 310. So black. So there is that one. I'm really getting into the season more so this year than I have been in prior years, especially fall. I want to do everything fall. I'm going to roll this one. This next one is a snowman. Kind of funny to be looking at a snowman when it's 90 degrees here in Georgia. But this is really cute. It has 21 colors. This is a 30 by 40, and this one's special drills. So I thought that would be really fun if you like doing the crystals, that this would be an all crystal kit. I'm working on one now, all crystals, and I think the snowman would be really cute, getting ready for the holiday Christmas season, And I like how the snowman's holding a birdhouse, and the birdhouse is on one of his little branches that's on his arms. So that was really cute. And let me show you the thumbnail. Here's the thumbnail. And it looks like when you're looking just at this that it's very pink on the background, but it's not actually pink. And here are all the drills. I'll just show you a few of those. They're the crystal drills and some specials. So that will be a lot of fun. This one also comes with your standard toolkit, the same toolkit as the first one. Let's see, this one, because it's special drills, it does not give you any DMC numbers, which would be nice if they had these, so you could, if you decide to save these, that you would know exactly where that they go. I have found that completing a full crystal, because I haven't done one before, I've done partial, but completing a full crystal, it is taking much longer, even with a smaller kit. But I think this will turn out really cute because it is a snowman, and I think that this would make it really blingy. Let's see, this has letters and numbers. There's not a number 8, which that's good. There is a letter B, but because there's not a number 8, that is fine. So there's this one. And that's another one that will need to go under something heavy. And I know that some people even put it under their mattresses. Our mattress is just too heavy, so I do not do that. It's too heavy to try to lift. Let me try to roll this one up. This is also another really thin one. The thin ones are easier to roll, but sometimes they are more difficult to straighten out, so it does take some time. Okay, this one is an abstract tree. You can see that. I thought that was really pretty. This is a 30 by 40. And let's check out how sticky this one is. This one is good and sticky. Has 21 colors. The table is only on this side. It's not on the left. It's only on the right. This does have, let me see, all letters. There is an L. There is an L. There is an I, but it's uppercase letters, so it should not be difficult to tell the difference. This one is also another full kit to where it is special drills. These are the really large ones that I like to call buttons. So that's going to be really pretty, I think. All purples and reds in here. And there's some silver on the end. Same toolkit as the other two. And also, I did not mention on all 3 of these, there is a number here at the top, and this is X522. So if you do not keep your drills with the canvas, you can look on the drills and it has X522. And so that way you know exactly which drills go to which kit. Makes it so much easier when you are trying to work on a kit, but you do not know where your drills are. You don't know which drills go with which kit. Then I have this really cute chicken cover minder, and I saw this and thought this would be perfect for the chicken canvas that I have. I actually have 2, and I'm going to put that one up and use that one for that canvas whenever I do get to it. So as a recap, I have this abstract tree, the really cute snowman getting us ready for the holidays, and then I have the stained glass sunflower. So I really like all 3 of these. I will put underneath the description the link to these as well as the price. So if you're interested, take a look. Fansells also has several other designs that you might be interested in as well. Hope you have a great rest of your day. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.